Well, this is a true Nomad, 1956 true Nomad. I know sometimes I was calling Nomad cars Nomads were delivery sedans, but this is a Nomad decked out with all kinds of factory options. Looks like it's all factory original paint on the motor. It's got the original. It's got a generator in it, which is proper. That's the factory air conditioning unit. Unlike, you see the aftermarket, you can see it's a factory style battery. Individual things you open up with the battery juice in there. There's your voltage regulator there. Horn relay, starter relay. It's got a single cylinder, master cylinder, and there's your original pump. But brake booster. Everything on this thing's original, man. So here you got it, right? Price back down $27.07. That's a big bucks in 56. Because you could even buy new cars in the late 60s for not much more than $2,000. So that was the base price. So heater defroster deluxe. So upgrade on the heater defroster. You had oil filter. That's an option. 4-ply tires, transmission, power glide. It's got the power glide. Power steering, wipers, electric. So I guess it had vacuum originally. I'm not sure. Maybe that's just upgraded wipers or something with speeds. Power seats, tinted glass. It's got a 205 horsepower. It's probably a 283. Power brakes. Oh, power windows. Whoa, that is crazy for 1956. Dash cover padded. And so they would add this on at the dealer. They would add the air conditioning at the dealer. So rear antenna adapter, air conditioning, auto headlamp control, seat belt. I guess this is wiring block junction. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Whatever. Wire wheels. Look at that. See? Wheel covers. Fender guard skirts. I guess that's right there. Signal seeker radio. Yeah. Damn. You know how much you could buy a house back? Not a big house. Back in 56, you could buy one for $5,000 if you looked around. 10,000 was a high price house. So this is almost this is $4,442. This was an expensive car, man. It's cool that it was preserved this long. And that's where you stowed your rear spare tire. And your they changed to 55. They didn't have that 56. They started fooling all the gas station attendants with that thing. Where do you fill it up? You see the dual exhaust coming out. This is a true Nomad. Very few. I don't know if there's any of them around like this one though. This one, one of a kind Nomad. So you know how many of these things were molested back in the day and turned into street rods and stuff? This thing being optioned out like this with all this stuff still in it, that's rare as rare can be.